So why is hip strength so important in maintaining balance? The reason hip strength is so important is because when we are standing and walking, we transfer weight to one side. When I shift weight to one side, the muscles in the hip keep my pelvis upright. If my muscles in my hip, they contract here on the side of the hip and they hold my pelvis stable. If they're not strong enough, if they don't grip here, then I collapse like this. So if I'm weak here on this side, I collapse like this when I put weight on this side. If they're strong, they keep me sturdy and upright. Weak, clunk, okay? So that's why it's so important. So if they're weak and I tip over every time, then it's much harder to keep my center. So one way to strengthen those muscles is to be standing. I've got resistant loop band on my feet, and I'm gonna be on one foot and I'm gonna bring the leg to the side. This is a more difficult version of this. There's other much easier ways to do it, or much lower level ways to do it, but this is strengthening the hips, the hip abductors on both sides, which help keep us stable when we're walking.